In this video, I'm going to show you how to change the color of a logo in Photopea. Start by importing your logo into Photopea. Click on File in the top left corner of the screen, select Open, and load your logo file. Once imported, resize and position the logo properly on your canvas so it fits comfortably within the workspace. If your logo already has a transparent background, you can move directly to Color Adjustment. If it does not, you first need to select only the logo area. On the left-hand side, locate the Magic Wand tool. If another tool is visible, right-click and choose Magic Wand. Click directly on the logo area, and Photopea will attempt to select it automatically. If the selection is not accurate, switch to the Quick Selection tool and use the brush to add or remove areas until the logo is fully selected. After selecting the logo, go to the bottom right corner and click on the New Adjustment Layer icon. From the menu, select Hue/Saturation. This will open the color adjustment controls. Move your logo slightly to the side so you can clearly see the changes as you adjust the sliders. To change the logo color, move the hue slider left or right. You will notice the logo cycling through different colors. Once you find the desired color, adjust the saturation slider to increase or reduce the intensity of that color. Lowering saturation will make the color dull or gray, while increasing it will make the color more vibrant. You can also control how light or dark the logo appears by adjusting the lightness slider. If you want a completely black logo, simply reduce the lightness all the way. After finalizing the adjustments, your logo color will be updated cleanly and professionally, and this is how you can change the color of a logo in Photopea.